don't need. The neutral line you don't need. But the grounding you need. There's the grounding somewhere at the back. Show you at the back. See here.
Okay.
This is the grounding line. Okay.
Right.
That connect to your factory grounding line. Air, compressed air. Compressed air goes into the machine from the back.
Okay.
Between 0.2 to 0.4 ampere. So it turns according to this recommended value.
Okay.
It's also in the menu. Cut. There's some overlapping.
Yeah.
Overlapping. This we need to pull it a bit more. Turn this hand wheel to bring down the whole unit. To pull it a little bit more. When it makes the ring, forms the ring, stop. Stop. There's the switch for the air switch. Move this way, turn off air. That's the grip. That's the air for this cylinder. The air is off, so you can move it by hand. That's this. That's the wrong. Check how strong the welding gun is. If not strong, we increase the welding heat. Welding now 45. Increase a little bit, like 55. 55. Now it bends like this. It's okay. It doesn't come off.